What is data? A beginner's guide to understanding and using data effectively. Learn what data is, why it matters, and how it's used across industries. Created by Marco Giardina.
Hey there, and welcome. Let's start with a simple but essential question. What is data? You likely hear about it often, but why is it so important, especially in the workplace and for better decision making? Stick around and I'll explain everything you need to know. So what is data? Data are information collected and recorded in different formats. It represents facts, observations, measurements, or descriptions. It can take many forms: numbers, text, images, videos, sounds, etc. Think of data as the building blocks of knowledge. Alone, they are pieces. Together, they form a complete picture. It helps us understand situations, people, and markets better. Let me give you an example. You generate data whenever you buy at a store or visit a website. When analyzed, this data tells a story: your preferences, habits, and needs. For businesses, this story is gold. It helps them meet customers' needs, improve services, and make better decisions. In short, data isn't information. It's a powerful tool for action. Now that we know what data is, let's look at its different types. You can structure data by organizing it in rows and columns, like in a spreadsheet. In this case, we refer to the data as structured data. Data can also be images, videos, or social media posts. They don't follow a clear format. For this reason, they form unstructured data. Knowing these types helps us to store, analyze, and use data well. So who uses data? Pretty much everyone. Marketers use data to target campaigns. Analysts uncover trends and insights. Business leaders rely on data to make strategic decisions. No matter your field, understanding data can give you an edge. Data are key to informed decisions. For instance, data helps to track sales, improve efficiency, and predict customer behavior. Congratulations, you have learned what data is, why data is essential, and how people use it. Now that you have the basics, we will investigate data types and how to work with them in the upcoming videos. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.